Hello and welcome back. In this short lecture, we're going to learn about how to create app configuration policies for custom specific, which are not available maybe in your case with the default application. If you don't have a specific settings and you wanted to configure those custom settings, then in that situation you're going to configure app configuration policies on iOS devices, or it could be on Android devices. To begin with that, you can start giving the name of that app configuration policy name, and you can choose here device enrollment type, either enrolled or not enrolled. That means it's not managed device or it's going to be a managed app. So in our case, if I choose as the manage devices first, then I need to choose here iOS or Android. Once I choose either any of them, it's actually gonna ask me to enter some kind of application which is going to be associated with this. For example, if the application is edges associated, now I need to configure here the configuration settings. So these are the settings which you need to get it from your app vendor. So these are the vendors who, the application whoever developed, those people will be providing you the exact XML format. You can find out this information. In fact, it is clearly written as per the Microsoft documentation. You need to contact them for any kind of customization actions, because these are the customized configurations which are given by your app supplier, and as per their direction you need to enter the key information here in the XML format. And once the XML format information is pasted, and that XML format information also given in this article as this, for example, what is a UPN and other information as given here as an example. And once you have that entire information from the app vendor, then you can paste it, and that specific configurations can be done, whatever the advantages you want to have with that specific application can be configured app policies. Similarly, you can also configure for Android devices, which is quite similar. All you have to do is, once you have selected the application, it's going to ask for the permissions and configuration. That's where you have to again enter your JSON file or maybe a designer tool, and then you need to type that specific strings. These also information you would be actually getting from your vendor. So that would so anything to do with the app configuration policies, you need to contact your vendors for specific customizations, or you need to depend on somebody else to create that specific configuration, either JSON file or could be a designer specific file or XML files, because we as Intune admins, we might not know how that specific application is going to work, or what kind of policies, what kind of connectivity to be configured. We never know for the development side at least, but we know how to configure at the admin level, but we never know the development side what kind of configuration files to be used. So we need to look into that with the help of either developers or the principal company of that specific vendor. Thank you for watching this, and I hope this is useful.